The translation for
magari,
which learners find easiest to comprehend, is maybe or perhaps.
magari,
Used in this sense, it's more or less interchangeable with the adverbs
forse,
and.
può darsi che. Magari possiamo incontrarci per un caffè domani.
Perhaps we can meet up for a coffee tomorrow. Magari equals if only. Magari is used just as frequently to express a strong desire for something that isn't easily attainable or even impossible, much like the English expressions if only, I wish, or wouldn't it be nice if. In this case, magari is often followed by a sentence with the verb in the imperfect subjunctive.
Magari potessimo andare all'estero quest'anno. È tutta colpa di quel maledetto virus.
If only we could go abroad this year. It's all the fault of that damn virus. Similarly, it's used as an affirmative response to a statement made about something unrealistic or impossible.
Quanto sarebbe bello poter andare all'estero quest'anno? Magari.
Wouldn't it be nice if we could go abroad this year? Yeah, if only. Magari as a one-word response. Sometimes magari works as a one-word agreement to a proposal or an invitation. If your response is enthusiastic, it will sound like the English expressions, of course, or I'd love to. If your interest is moderate, it'll sound more like, okay, yeah, maybe, or why not. Your intonation, along with your facial expression, will set the tone.
Vuoi venire con noi al cinema? Magari. Vuoi venire al cinema con noi? Magari.
Do you want to come to the cinema with us? Of course. Do you want to come to the cinema with us? Yeah, maybe. But bear in mind that, as a one-word response, it can also be used sarcastically to mean the following. You think? You can say that again. It's about time.
Forse dovrei chiamare mia mamma per dirle che non vengo a casa stasera. Magari.
Perhaps I should call my mom to tell her that I won't be home tonight. You think?
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.